In this video, we'll be telling about how to add Instagram stories. For this, first what we need to do is open Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your profile. In your profile above, you can see your profile photo. Either click on this profile photo. When you are clicking on that, you can see add to your story option. Or here you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option story. Click on story. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. In Apple iPhones also settings are same. Anyways, after reaching your gallery, from gallery select the photo or video which you want to add to your story. For example, I am selecting this photo. Anyways, after selecting your photo, if you want to edit, you can do that. Here some options are there for editing. If you want to crop, you can crop this photo. Or if you want to add any text, you can add text. To add text, click on this AA button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see option to add text. If you want to edit this text, you can do that. Anyways, after that, click on this done button. Now text is added. And if you want to add music, here music option is there. Just click on this. When you are clicking on that, you can see trending music. You can select whichever music you want. For example, I am selecting this music. Anyways, after that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, music will be added. And here one button is there. When you are clicking on that, here you can see so many options. If you want to add location, you can select location. If you want to mention anyone, you can do that. And if you want to add questions, option for that is there. If you want to add poll, option for that also is there. So you can check this section and you can add necessary options. Anyways, after that, if you want to draw anything, click on this three dots. When you are clicking on that, you can see draw option. If you want to draw anything, you can draw here. After that, to post it as story, what you need to do is down here you can see two options. One is your story and one is close friends. If you want only persons in your close friends to see this story, you can select close friends. Or if you want everyone to see this story, you can select your story. Otherwise, you can click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see your story and close friends option. Anyways, I am posting it as my story. Everyone can see that. After that, down here you can see share button. Click on this share button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Down here you can see done button. Click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, your story will be added. When you are clicking on your profile photo, you can see your story. So this way you can easily add story in Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.